This is our stormwater retention basin. So we talked about this when we were remote at the beginning of the year. It basically captures all the stormwater from this building and building B and A, and all of that comes here, okay? And if you look down there, there's that white thing, and that beyond that white thing closer to us, you can't see it, but it's too muddy to go down there, is a storm drain, like the ones in the streets, you know, that have grates in them. So this water is sitting here, and it's slowly getting released into the storm drain system, and then slowly getting put back into Abram Creek over there. So that's where all this water will end up, is at Abram Creek and the wetland over there, that lake to lake trail. So what this does is it minimizes like flooding in rivers and streams. It slows down water, literally, like it's just sitting here and slowly trickling into the storm drain. And by that happening, it's reducing erosion in the natural environment. So that's a good thing. It also is like, it's reducing the impact of this facility on the local watershed. And this is actually part of a new law that was passed in the late 90s or early 2000s. We don't need to know the date. And it's the EPA Clean Water Act. So it's part of the Clean Water Act, and it's phase two. And it's called phase 2 stormwater restrictions. Any new build, any new construction has to have something to capture the stormwater if it's beyond a certain amount of square footage of impermeable surface. This building is impermeable. The water that hits the roof goes down these storm pipes along it, and then underground into here. Okay, it also flows off the pavement. The pavement's impermeable, flowing in. Okay, so this is one of the stormwater basins, and you can see that there's already plants growing in there. It's already becoming natural. Like nature is going through succession here. And that plant there that looks like it has a hot dog on it, that's a cattail. Have you guys heard of cattails before? So they're like known to like love water. And so they just started to colonize here. Where those pink sticks are, like with the pink little flag on it, that was the edge of the water, like during normal conditions. And you can see that it has like a flood stage, right? Because we had a flash flood, now it's at a flood stage. It could even get higher than this if we had continuous rain and saturated soil, right? So this is for this end. So this retention basin gets the water from C, B, and part of A, okay? Now we're gonna walk down to the other retention basin. I don't know if you guys knew that there was another one down there. We're gonna go check